So friends, watch my previous video part 2 print management and how using a printer and what is a printer. So watch my previous video. This video continued part 2 print management and my all video part was here. So last video I'm already told you how set up print and print management systems here. So this is one type of print management and continue these my settings print management and everything information continue last video part 2 here. So let's continue and start here this print management system. So you can see here first these windows here not I have no any printer here, and I will add a printer, but just talk about these custom filters. So what is a filter is one type of result how many type of printer add in your printer management. So maybe your 10 21, maybe you enter printer is your system environment in your control systems here. So filter is a one type of technology in feature is a filter. You can see here my printer 3 and already all printer here, but I'm not display printer any. So 3 printer I'm already enter. So how can we enter printer? So watch my printer video first, and second you can see this type printer available in the my systems here. You can see. So I'm already connect my network in my 3 printer here. You can see just this type here, and first Dell, HP, and Samsung. So Dell 1135 is laser printer here, and Samsung is laser but BD class drive type, and big printer Samsung is using here. So first you can see an HP color laser printer here. So LaserJet with a color printer here. So this is a filter means you change your settings with your other information with you want anything. So first you can see just here uh, your printer you want first all drive. So driver, without driver you can not install in your printer. You maybe already install your printer network completely. You completely add a network, but without a driver you cannot install. So all of a driver different driver for different especially check your printer model, and second is a printer model with your printer series. So SP driver different, and environment was 32-bit and 64-bit. So you can see my Windows PC not directly install automatically. So I want to download first driver from internet. You can see here after installation driver isolation none, and provider is Dell, SP, and third Microsoft. So two type I'm already installed, and these Microsoft company installed in my computer. So some driver already installed Microsoft company, but some driver you want to first download and after install and start your internet and start your network and connect your PC with your computer network here. So watch my video how can we add printer in a computer. So I'm already create and check my printer playlist. Okay, so printer you can see print processor here. So print processor you can see just here. So first you package check to complete all of my printer work here, and driver date means my printer driver completely. You can see this type date I'm already installed, and this is my printer driver file. So driver is one type of programming file, and this driver showing different how can understand your printer, how can your control your system by these devices in different. So you can see this is a 64-bit systems, and all of printer you can see. So you first add any device without not work printer. You, just like I give example, printer is one type of device for printing. So printer not ready. So I click on printer not ready. So that time not anything you can see here, any printer not ready for me because I already power off these printers here. And printer with job means my anything I'm not give a printing files. So you can see here I'm just showing you. First I'm going to my main computer partition, and you can see here my all of driver, and this type I will print here. So you can see I'm just first printing here. So you can see printer, what is a printer job here, you can see here nothing here. So first we start second you can see, because first file is 0, and so you can see this type error printing here. So I give this error these systems here because this is a printing this my just now I'm printing give command. So this printer not working for printing here because I'm already power of this printer, because I have already these using this process here, but I'm just showing you. So you can see here this is my printer document here. So just not this type printing preference you can see here, and pause printing, you can pause your printer. So these features give your message and information for job means you command your printer command by your computer, and you send your data your printer. I want print this file here. So you can see your print Dell about 1135 and laser MFP not perfectly work here. This is a Dell i35 printer file here. So printer file not working here in Intel GFX. So Intel GFX is my document file here. You can see here I can install this because automatically this printer automatically try to printing here. So this query is my status. So you can see error. So error means you're wrong anything, some process wrong here. So I'm not start my Dell I 1135, and I'm again print this document here. So you can see here second file showing me here in printer job. So printer job means you print you give a command to printer by your computer. So I'm any file open here, and again give a print command here. So first notepad here, nothing any data see here, but I want print here. So you can see just this document in these partitions here. So I'm just this okay. So this print okay. So again I'm give command to printer print my document, and fourth file again I'm going Microsoft Word this type system. So I'm again give print. So not showing anything message because these 4 document pending for Sky. So Sky is my username, my computer username, you can see here, and for you can see my printer not perfectly so this is my printer name, this is my printer here, and I click on this printer. So you can see my 4 type of job inquiry means my my for printing printer document not working here, the pending here you can see just. So Microsoft Word document tab. So I'm just showing why this tab, because you give any command, any file command for printing, and error, maybe success, all of document you can come here and check here. So printer job means your command of your printing file here. So this is a very important for printer query. So for means my for already I'm give command for printer, so showing error here. And the Dell laser MFP, and this is type my server name here in PC local. So local create my printer server and driver version. So sometime driver not working here, so driver showing here error type but not driver. Problem is my printer turn off. So you want or you want to start your again your printing any give system command printing. So first you want to check device and printer here, and you can check here is my printer is on, turn on. So by default this on, default in my computer showing here, but physically I'm power of this my I'm just showing you first how can we set default. So right click again here, this my printer start here, so automatically these remove green tick mark here you can see here. So green tick mark is showing for you computer HP, this my printer power up. So this my second printer I'm just showing here. So all of process printing command automatically not directly transfer here this but I'm manually again I'm give a printer command printing. So I want print command this file here, and first print okay. So again showing this type this printer. So this is a new printer and give a printing command here, and this is showing notification, and again second time not showing error this type. So this is a second printer I'm already power off, because I have I'm just showing you how many error in printer. So second printer you can see my 2, and first you can see my first printer I'm give a 4 printer printing command document. So just click on double click and you can see this type of printer properties here. So printer properties, why using printer properties I will discuss in this video, but open printer query means your is a very important. So this is open your printer, and this is showing a document how many you print, how many document not printing here. So this is a printer, sometimes you not perfectly work in printer problem, just like I'll give you example, not networking connect with your printer, not connect your printer with power, and sometimes your printer printing error gives some systems here. So pause printing is means your all of your data automatically give a start your printing, and cancel job means your all of your file cancel for printing here. So background in this file always try to printing here. So you start your power on your printer, so that time automatically system. And list in directory means you are showing list, and deploy with your group policy. So you can deploy, you maybe set your group policy. So what is a group policy I will discuss later. And set printing default, you can set your default printer. I'm already told you manage sharing. See, you can share your management your this printer here. And this is a very important for manage sharing means your network one printer connect with 5 7 15 25 printer. You share your computer with one PC, so you can share your printer here. So this is a very good systems here, but printer is not directly perfectly fast system working here. So first print test page. Why using print test page? Print test page showing testing your printer and check your printer how many work in printer machine, printer machines, different systems working completely. So this printer command printer showing it. And enable branch office, you can see enable branch office different type of systems here. But I'm just showing you my phone document not perfectly print my printing systems here. So background inside always try to printer here, but this time showing error status same this reason, and this all of empty. Why? Because this is all of same condition for this. So maybe some one file pass complete, so showing here status complete here, but I'm all of same condition error printing here. So this type showing empty type message here, and you can see owner means your computer, your account, your user account, okay. And page, you can see different type pages in your computer. So this document tags one page here, this document page not page 22 page here, okay. And you can see size, how many size, MB, KB wise, and how many time here. So okay, you can see here these are 33 hour 32 minute and 47 PM time. I'm 23 October 2018 time. I'm send these printer and port LPT1. So printer by default using LPT1, okay. So this is a printer, all of our settings you can see just so friend, this page management part 3 video very long here, and I will continue in this print management all of the settings in part 4 because this video very long here. So watch my videos part wise because this is my all video part wise here, okay. And this video is very important for you, okay. So control panel is all of Windows operating systems information one by one I'm show you, okay. And already I'm create others playlists just like Facebook, Amazon, and others technical tips, hardware, networking videos here. So thank